Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Welcome to my MTV Cribs tour. Come on in. Okay, so this is my third time filming this video because yesterday we filmed it and then the lens was zoomed in and then I checked and then the mic wasn't working. So now we're back for another day of filming. Welcome. So when you first walk in, we have this map that's from my old apartment, and my mom put this up because I'm incapable of doing anything. And then across from it, we have this little nook, and it's kind of just like 1 foot into the wall. I have 2 shoe shelves here that I got from IKEA. They're not actually shoe shelves, they're literally just bookshelves, but I thought it'd be cool to like display shoes, you know? I put my shoes on here, and then down here, I have this rug thingy mat from IKEA. It looks like it's from Urban Outfitters, but it's from IKEA. This is where other people put their shoes. And then I just have this long length mirror from IKEA so that you can see your outfits and take pictures for Instagram. Go follow my Instagram. So down this hallway, we have all these pictures. This one doesn't have a picture in it yet because I accidentally double printed a picture and there's just no picture here. Here I have a picture from Portugal. Here I have a picture from Capri. Here I have a picture of Paris. And then here I also have a picture of Portugal again. All these are on Instagram, so go follow my Instagram. These are just 24 by 36 prints and I printed them out at Walmart for $25. And then these frames are also $25. And I got this idea from Adel and Lauren. Here we have our closet. This is like a storage closet basically. It's not organized because I don't want to organize it, so I just kind of throw shit in here. Here we have just a bunch of winter jackets, a bunch of extra towels, random ass shit, some drills, some extra frames, a snowboard, some golf stuff, extra shoes. Obviously, the snowboard stuff isn't mine because I can't do shit. Then there's this closet right here. This is where our washer and dryer is, and hopefully I don't break it this time. If you guys didn't watch my cleaning my room video where I broke my washing machine, I'm in a new apartment, we have a new washing machine. I broke it 2 times in the last apartment and I flooded the apartment, so hopefully that doesn't happen this time. Knock on wood. I just keep all the laundry detergents and stuff up here, and then I have my Dyson plugged in. This is like the best thing ever. So if you guys don't know, I usually never vacuum my floors because 1, I usually clean my room at 2 a.m. and 2 a.m. is too loud to be using a regular vacuum in an apartment. But this one, you don't even need to plug in. It's not like that loud. It's not that loud. Dyson, sponsor me. I would actually love the sponsorship. No one from Dyson is watching this. What am I saying? Oh.
And
Wrong. Alright, so at the end of this hallway, I just have this fake plant from StructTube and then this little concrete bin from StructTube. Over top, I have my YouTube plaque that I dented the first day that I got it. So congratulations to me. Let's get to 1 million so I can not have a dented plaque on my wall. We have this huge mirror that I absolutely love. This was like one of the final touch pieces to this apartment, and I got this from IKEA. It was like $129, which is super affordable for like a huge mirror like this. And also mirrors make a place look bigger, so really nice. Down this hallway, I just have one picture right here. This one is from Bali, again in the same prints. This store is my sister's room. I'm not gonna do too much of an in-depth tour because it's her room. Wow, she actually like kind of cleaned it today. Interesting. This is her room, an overview. She has a bunch of pictures up here that are crooked because she does not know what she's doing. And it's just the places that she's been. Her bed frame is my old bed frame actually, and it's from IKEA. This nightstand's from IKEA. She just has like a diffuser on here. This is her laundry bin from IKEA. This dresser is also from IKEA, and then this is really cool. You can like slide it on top of your bed if that makes sense, so you have like a bedside table. And this is from Pier 1 Imports. And her closet, I absolutely love her closet. It's just the sliding doors again, and she just has a mirror in here. She actually keeps all of her bathing suits because she has more room in her closet than I do, I think. We have a whole bunch, so if you guys want like a swimsuit try-on collection video, let me know because I'd definitely be down to do that. That's it for her room. And she already fucked up the wall, guys. So then right across from her room, we have her washroom. She didn't get the ensuite because she got the master bedroom in the last apartment, so I get it this time. This is just her bathroom. She has a speaker on her shower and I kind of want that. Then we have this landscape picture. It's the only landscape picture I have in this apartment, and it's Anila, Emma, Tia, and I when English when we were in Greece. Love this picture. And we also just have like our thermometer. I don't know what this is. It's not a thermometer. Our
thermostat.
thermostat. Just continuing, we have 3 more pictures. This one is from Bali, this one's from Bali, and this one's from Bali. All of these can be seen on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see a better look at them, go follow it. I'm always posting travel pictures, and actually right now when you're watching this video, I'm in LA and then I'll be in Hawaii next. So this is my kitchen. It's kind of a small kitchen, but honestly I don't mind. I really like the size. We have this, I forgot what it's called. My friend told me what it's called, but I forgot what it's called. I call it an island, but it's not an island because it's connected to the wall, and I just don't know what it's called. When I was looking for an apartment, I really wanted like a white kitchen. I wanted it to be a bright, nice kitchen, so this is perfect. On top, you just have this marble pastry board that I use for a cutting board. I know it's shit for your knives, but I'm just gonna still use it anyways because it's aesthetic and pretty. We have this fake plant because I can't take care of real ones, and this one's from IKEA. We have our sink with all our dirty dishes in it because I just haven't done the dishes. This is our soap dispenser. Pretty freaking cute. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's a marble soap dispenser. Also, this is from Wayfair. This basket that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it just holds like our washcloths and stuff. Here we have this utensil holder that I got from Urban Barn. It's so cute. I absolutely love this. And this holds our metal straws and our utensils. And look at our utensils, guys. They're black. Like, how freaking cool is that? I got these from Wayfair also, and I absolutely love them. I just have a scratch off map here that I need to put in a frame, but I'm just too lazy to. A lot of you guys asked where I got this, and I got it from Chapters in Indigo. You guys can literally get it anywhere. Just search it on Amazon or like Urban Outfitters scratch off map and you'll find one, and I just kind of scratch off everywhere I've been, and I think it's just really cool to see. We have this clock that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's not even the right time, and it just says late. It just reminds me of like Tana Mojo because she's always late. Down here we just have this cupboard thing. It's messy. I don't want to show you. We have our dishwasher that I actually do use now. We don't just use it as a drying rack because if you guys don't know, I don't know if it's just like my family or if it's like an Asian and like a Mexican thing, but we don't actually use our dishwasher as a dishwasher. We use it as a drying rack. I don't know why. And then this holds our plates, bowls, and everything. And oh my god, I absolutely love the plates and just like the whole dinerware set. I got these from Wayfair, and they're marble, and I thought that they were so cute. I don't think I've ever seen anyone with marble plates and stuff. And then under here, I just keep my pots and pans. So this is my fridge. Then we just have this area. This is my stove / oven. It's better than my last apartment. And on top, I have this marble thing, and my family never had one of these. We literally just would put our dirty ass spoons on the stove and oven until I went over to my white friend's house and they all had this. You know, I decided to be bougie and buy one. We have this to hold all like the bacon, fat, and grease. And then we have a toaster. This is like my knife display. It doesn't have all my knives in it right now, but yeah, I have black knives. Then I just have these like marble, what is it called? Like canisters? I don't know. Oh my god, I've been so bad at explaining things. Got this from Wayfair, got this from Got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then got this from Wayfair. I have this utensil holder that I got from Urban Outfitters. I really like the detailings and everything on it. A microwave. It's a pretty big microwave. Up here we keep nothing because I can't even reach up there because I'm literally like 5 foot nothing. And then down here we keep some Tupperware. Then look at our cool ass strainer. Have you guys ever had a strainer that's like this? You just... I tried to push it out with my boobs and I realized I don't have boobs. Okay, like that, and then you go like this, and then, wow, you can strain your spaghetti. Following on this side, we have my automatic, who the f keeps turning this off? We have my automatic trash can. It's really full right now, but I got this from Wayfair, but it only works whenever you don't want it to work. Like when you walk by it, it opens, but like when you actually want to try to use it, it doesn't work. Then behind the thing, we have 3 bar stools. These bar stools that I got from StruckTube, I really love them. They're actually really good quality. In our last apartment, we had some cheap IKEA ones. That worked for that apartment, but I actually want to invest in like some good furniture for this apartment because I actually wanted to like enjoy living here. So I got this from StruckTube, and I love the black detailing and the dark wood. That's kind of like the theme for this apartment. Here I just have a diffuser. This is my dining room table. This dining room table is so nice. It's dirty also. I got this from StruckTube. I love the detailing on it. This is from India, and it's like Indian wood, and it's literally f***ing beautiful if you guys can't tell. I never had a dining room table in my last apartment, so I decided to, you know, get a dining room table so I would have somewhere to eat that's not in my room. And then the chairs are from StruckTube also. They're just white with like black detailing and some wood detailing. On top we have this. This is from Urban Barn, and then the placemats under here are from IKEA. I never ate with placemats growing up, so I decided to, you know, be normal and have placemats. And then I have this marble rhino that I got from StruckTube. This glass bowl that am I stupid? I said that yesterday. Got this marble bowl that I got from Urban Barn, and then we have some coasters. Also, never had coasters growing up, but you know, I actually have like an expensive table now, and you know, I want to be normal. So I decided to get some coasters. This one just has marble, granite, and wood detailing, so I thought that was pretty cool. So following out to the deck. This is our door. So this is my deck. I don't really go here that much, but maybe I should more often. Maybe I should make some friends and, you know, chill out on my patio and have a good time, but really I just sit in my room and do nothing. This patio set is from IKEA, and the pillows are from Pier 1 Imports. I thought this was a really cute patio set. I also never had patio furniture in my last apartment. I literally just had like one lawn chair, and then we used the outside as a freezer. Can you shut up? We used the outside as a freezer because it was so cold in Canada. So under here I have this ottoman that I made Milan blow up, and it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then this pillow is from this expensive ass place. I don't know. If you guys see here, do you guys see like these splatter marks here and on like the window? Yeah, you want to know why? It's because a kid came here and he puked on my deck. I literally, that was my first time ever meeting the kid, and my friends bring him over to come hang out, and he puked on my deck. You know, there's just kind of like, it's there and it smells like puke. Now that we're done with my deck, we have this area. This is like the desk area. It's like 1.5 feet into the wall, and it came with the apartment. We have this round mirror that I absolutely love. It's like a dark wood, and I got this from IKEA. It's like a lot of mirror selfies in here, but not as much as I'd like because I'm too short for this mirror and you can't even see my outfit. Under here I have my iMac. I have this from Urban Outfitters, and it just makes it so you have a little bit more room on your desk. Under here I just keep like a clipboard and everything, and then I have this lamp from ShuckTube, and I think it's really cool. It's like different. Here I have a picture of Noel and I. This frame is from the Dollarama, and you know, this picture is really cute. You can find this picture on my spam account on Instagram. Under here I have a dog crate that I've never used. I just kind of bought it in hopes that I would get a dog someday. I got this from Wayfair. I have this acrylic chair that I got from IKEA, and then it has like this fur on it. I don't know, I thought it was super cute. We have my living room. I absolutely love my living room. I need a burp. Okay, I spent so much time figuring out how I wanted this living room. I got this couch, and it's from Urban Barn, and it's not a regular couch. It's clearly like a round barrel couch. That's what it's called. I thought that this would be better than a square, what am I saying? What fucking couch is square? Than a rectangle couch, because it would just fit a lot better. It's super comfy. It can fit like 3 people max. It's more comfortable with 2 people. You know, it's a perfect cuddling chair. We tested it out. I mean, I didn't test it out. My sister and her boyfriend did, because I don't have a boyfriend, and I probably never will. And I'll probably die alone, and we all know this, so. But it's, you know, a nice couch to chill here, edit. I didn't have living room in my last, what am I saying? I didn't have furniture in my living room in my last apartment, so I always sat in my room all day. So this is super nice to have somewhere else to hang out that's not my bed. Then we have this rocking chair. This is from ShuckTube. Yellow, like how fucking cool is that? This pillow is from ShuckTube also, and then this ottoman is from IKEA. These rugs on the floor are from Urban Outfitters, and I thought it'd be cool to like layer the rugs. I never had rugs in my house growing up. I don't know why, so I thought I'd have it. It makes the place like look more cozy, and it kind of separates an area from another part of the house without actually like blocking it off. I have this glass table that I got from Wayfair, and I really like it. I like how you can see what's under it. It just like makes the space look bigger. Under here I have floor pillows for if there's not enough room to sit, which I don't ever see that happening. I don't know why I bought so many floor pillows, because I kind of just like overestimated the amount of I kind of just overestimated the amount of friends that I have when it's really like none. But I got these from Urban Outfitters, and I got this one from Urban Barn. On top, I just keep my remote. This tray is from Pier 1 Imports, and it just keeps a candle that's all out. This book that I got from Urban Outfitters. This fake camera that I thought would just like look cute from Pier 1 Imports. A coaster, and then a Polaroid. I'll show you guys where I keep my Polaroids in my room tour. But if you guys want to see me like unbox all my Urban Outfitters stuff, go watch my haul on my channel. I have a bunch of moving vlogs and everything. Here I have this plant from IKEA and another fake plant from IKEA. I have this from IKEA, and then this planter is from just like a local shop here in Edmonton. This side table is from Pier 1 Imports, and I love the black detailing and the marble. If you guys can't tell what the theme is already, it's like dark wood, black detailing, and marble, and like a bohemian vibes, you know? And then we have this corner of the room. These lights are from Urban Barn. I'm gonna come turn them on for you guys. And to turn them on, you literally just click this button. And it's so cool. I love like the bitch, shut the fuck up! I love like the warm light because like at night it just makes this place, it just makes this place look so cozy. Here I have my Google. I absolutely love my Google. This is called the Google Max, I think, and it was definitely an investment, but it's like best speaker I've ever had because one, you can control it when you're not on your phone. 2, it's so loud. 3, the bass is bumping. It's just, I love it. Google sponsor me. Then I have this. This is from IKEA, and we just keep our throw blankets in here. Here is my like TV display. I have this from Urban Outfitters, and I didn't really know what to put here, but I think that this works perfectly with the living room. I have this TV, and it's all sitting on top of this TV console from StructTube, and I really like it. It's just white and has wood detailing on the inside. We just keep our cable boxes here. I have this picture frame from the Dollarama, and it just has a picture of me and my sister. This is on my Instagram. And then we have this plant. My mom put this plant there. It's supposed to be that plant that's right there, but my mom put this plant here. I don't know why, but I don't bother moving it. Then just right here, I have a window. These curtains are from IKEA. I never really had curtains in my house growing up. My parents would kind of just like throw up a door blanket and call it good. But I thought I would get curtains for this apartment. But this door, I can't really show you guys too much or else I'm gonna get kidnapped. You can slide it open and like stand out there, so it's kind of like just like another deck. And beside it, I have this thing from IKEA. These fake plants are from IKEA. Last but not least, we have my room that I'm not gonna show you guys because we have a room tour coming up. So that's it for my apartment tour. If you guys enjoyed, go watch my other videos because I have a bunch more moving vlogs. I have like a whole unboxing video, an empty apartment tour, and all that jazz. So links down in the description box below. Please subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Comment down below whatever you guys want because I read every single one of my comments and I'll try to reply to you guys, and follow my social medias on the screen right here. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best.